I learned your voice before my name, a gentle call that felt like home. Small hands held, no questions asked. I never walked alone. Ordinary days, the table light, stories told the same old way. Nothing loud, nothing grand, just a love that chose to stay. When the world feels hard to face, I don't need to explain. You see me as I am, you always did. You're the place I'm always held, the ones who stand when I can't stand tall. No matter how far I roam, you're the heart that feels like home. Time keeps moving, seasons turn, we change but still remain. Different roads, the same warm light calling out my name. When I doubt the ground I'm on and my steps feel unsure, you believe before I do, that's the truth.